Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and secure Kraken account with 2FA, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the official Kraken website. Once there, click on the Create Account button located at the top right corner of the home page. Fill in the required information, such as your email address and a strong password. Make sure to use a unique and complex password for added security. After entering your details, acknowledge the terms of service and privacy policy. Then, click on the Create Account button to proceed. Next, check your email for a confirmation message from Kraken. Click on the confirmation link provided in the email to activate your account. After activation, log into your Kraken account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Security tab in your account settings. Here, you will find the option to enable two-factor authentication, often abbreviated as 2FA. To set up 2FA, download an authentication app like Google Authenticator or Authy on your smartphone. Open the authentication app and use it to scan the QR code displayed on your Kraken account. This will link your account to the app, allowing it to generate unique login codes. Next, enter the code generated by the app into the designated field on the Kraken page. Once verified, 2FA will be successfully enabled for your account. Make sure to save the backup codes provided by Kraken in a secure place. These codes will allow you to access your account if you lose access to your authentication app. It's essential to secure your account at all times to protect your funds. Consider additional security measures, such as using a strong password manager. You have now successfully downloaded the Kraken app and secured your account with 2FA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.